Over the past couple of weeks, we have gone over a couple of different types of folk tales. So we'll start by reviewing those. First is tall tales. This is where we have exaggerated stories that are meant to be entertaining. Tall tales include a main character who is larger than life and who often has superhuman abilities. The main character in the tall tale solves problems in a funny way that is hard to believe. Exaggerated. Authors of tall tales use exaggerated descriptions of characters and events. So this is where we are going to see a lot of hyperboles, a lot of dramatic exaggeration. The next type of folktale that we've learned about is fables. A fable is a short story meant to teach a lesson. Our lesson that the fable is teaching you is called a moral or a message. Remember, it could be moral or message. People should apply these to their lives. Sometimes the moral is stated at the end of the fable. Characters in fables are usually animals. Trickster tales, which is the one that we read, include a clever character who knows more than he or she lets on. And the last type of folktale that we kind of talked about, we didn't really get into it too much. We did a read aloud on it yesterday. It's legends. Legends are stories from the past that are believed by many people but cannot be proved to be true. Legends may explain how things came to be. The main character is known as the hero. The plot includes the hero overcoming an obstacle, which is like something difficult. Events and characters have a larger than life quality, just like in the tall tales. So those are our three main focuses when we talked about folk tales. So now we are going to take the knowledge that we have learned and apply it to a game. You're going on a mission to save the princess from the dragon. Read the passage and answer the questions correctly to get closer to the castle. So you're going to read this passage titled The Woman in the Moon, a Kumye legend. So this one is a legend. It will be on these next 3 slides. And then you have a couple of questions that you are going to answer. Now, when you click on the answer, you're either going to be taken to a slide that tells you that it is correct, or which is this one right here, or if you get the wrong answer, it is going to take you to this dragon. And then in order to be able to click on it and it tells you if you're correct or not, you need to make sure you are in present mode. Again, you must be in present mode. Once you have selected your answer, you're going to click escape, the ESC button, and then you're going to go back to the slide or on the next slide to answer the next question. Again, you must put it in present mode. Okay? If you have any questions about this, please let me know. And make sure you use your Unreal strategies to better understand the passage that is given here.